Hi everyone. So that painting, it's drawn by one of my colleague at my workplace. He just drew it on the paper and it was lying on the floor. So I decided to take it and laminate it, and it's there hanging on my bedroom. So I decided that I'll be posting a video every Wednesday, something about bike and the challenges we bikers face. And today we are going to talk about how the increase in petrol price actually impacts a biker like me who depends so much on its salary. So I've got a new set of light. Okay, perfect. If you want to know about the light, just comment below. I'll tell you what light it is. I got it in Amazon for $500. There are a lot of expense we bikers have, right? One is the insurance. When I got my new bike, I paid an insurance of 5,700 rupees. But the second time when I did the same insurance, it costed me even more. It costed me 6,100 rupees. So the cost of insurance is increasing every year. The cost of tire is also increasing every year. The normal Michelin tire, which is 140/70, used to come for 4,300 rupees. But today it is 6,300 rupees. So each year you change your tire twice. You get an insurance, a lot of expenses you have if you have a proper bike, but nothing impacts your riding schedule more as the cost of petrol. So if you see the current cost of petrol in Chennai, where I am staying, is 80 rupees per liter. There are places where it is even more expensive. I think in Delhi or in Mumbai it's 85 rupees per liter. So recently I went to Kanyakumari and the amount which I spent to buy petrol was 5,000 rupees. Imagine if I was getting that petrol for the cost in which the government is buying from abroad. It would have costed me the half. So when each government comes for election campaigning, they always promise us that they will provide us cheap petrol and diesel. We're not asking for cheap petrol and diesel. We're just telling you don't overprice it. That's it. When BJP government was campaigning for the election in 2014, this is what Narendra Modi had to say.
साल का रिपोर्ट कार्ड के कुछ ही घंटों में उन्होंने देश में जिस प्रकार से पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ा दिए, ये दिल्ली सरकार की शासन चलाने की नाकामयाबी का जीता जागता सबूत है। देश की जनता के अंदर भारी आक्रोश है और इसके कारण और भी चीजों पर बहुत बड़ा बोझ होने वाला है।
And recently, Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, has said that if he is elected as the Prime Minister in 2019, he will bring the petrol cost under GST, which means that the price of petrol will come back to 45 rupees or 50 rupees. So the cost of petrol depends upon three major factors. One is the cost of petrol, which we buy from international market. The second thing is the cost of dollar. And the third thing is the tax which the government put on the oil. So these three factors are there. So when Narendra Modi was campaigning for the election 2014, he promised that once he becomes the Prime Minister of India, he will make sure that the price of petrol is down. He kept attacking the opposition. He kept attacking the Congress government, which was ruling at that time, that they have increased the price of petrol unreasonably. And in almost each of his speech, he talked about petrol. And I was really happy that we are going to get a Prime Minister who is going to reduce the cost of petrol. Who is going to reduce the cost of petrol and is going to be reasonable for us. But politicians, क्या फायदा भरोसा करके? The cost of petrol now has reduced to half. There was a time when the cost of petrol had come down to $37 per barrel. Did the government reduce the petrol price? No. Currently, let me show you how at what price we buy the petrol from the international market, and what are the taxes that are put up by the government. So just check the picture. So just have a look at this picture. If you see the international crude market, this data was taken 5 days back. So if you see at the oil price, we buy at $72 per barrel, which comes around 31 rupees per liter. 1 liter of petrol is 31 rupees in the international market. दूसरा चीज, we add there is an entry tax of 5%. Before, when the Congress government was there was no 5% extra tax on the petrol. Okay, so the new government has put an extra tax in the starting itself, that is known as entry tax. अब पता नहीं क्या होता वो. And then रिफाइनरी एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन उसमें और ₹3.5 लगता है, मतलब ₹7. तेल का दाम में ₹7 ऐड हो गया, मतलब 30 रुपया का तेल आया, ₹7 ऐड किया तो ₹37 हो गया. And then 3 or 4 rupees is taken by the petrol dealers, the Indian Oil or Bharat Petroleum. They take 3 or 4 rupees. So totally, when the total cost of oil which has to be given to me or to you is 40 rupees. 40 रुपया, 30 रुपया खर्चते हैं, ₹2.5 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में जाता है और ₹3.5 प्यूरिफिकेशन और वो सब में जाता है. ₹3 प्रॉफिट लेती है पर लीटर, ₹3 प्रॉफिट लेती है ऑयल कंपनीज. And then after that, the final cost of petrol is 40 rupees. But you and I are buying petrol for 80 rupees. And some people are paying 85 rupees. Do you think that is fair? Do you think that is fair for Narendra Modi, who won this election campaigning, telling us that he is going to reduce the petrol price, is selling petrol to us at double the rate of what he is buying? So if you see, the central government is putting a tax of 20%, which cost 20 rupees extra on the petrol, and then state government, it differs based on it differs. So finally you and I are buying petrol at 80 rupees, whereas the government is buying it for 40 rupees. Recently, for 19 days, they did not increase the petrol price because the election was going on in Karnataka. And as soon as the election got over in Karnataka, the very next day they increased the price. Continuously for 12 days, they have been increasing the price of petrol, even though the price of petrol internationally is coming down. And now they are blaming, there are people in social media who are very much active, who abuse you if you talk something like this. So it's not an attack. I'm not trying to have it as a political conversation, but this is more of a rant because of a biker. अरे आप गाड़ी चलाने जाते हैं, थोड़ा पॉकेट में थोड़ा हल्का होना चाहिए. No, it's too heavy on pocket यार. मतलब क्या बताएं? A ride from here to Kanyakumari, you are shelling out 5,000 rupees. 5,000 रुपया लगता है यहाँ से कन्याकुमारी जाने को. एक मिनट. So the cost of international price of petrol you cannot control. It's not in your hand. Totally understandable. You're not able to control the cost of dollar to rupees. You're not able to. कोई बात नहीं, हो नहीं रहा है. टैक्स तो आपके हाथ में है. It's in your hand how to control the cost of the central, the tax which we pay for the central government and the cost which we pay to the state government. 20 रुपया एक लीटर पेट्रोल खरीदने पे 20 रुपया हम लोग सरकार को दे रहे हैं. Sri Shankar, when he told that if BJP comes to power, the cost of dollar will come down to 40 rupees. कहाँ 40 रुपया हुआ, 60 के ऊपर है. सब मिले जुले हैं यार, अपने अपने बिजनेस कर रहे हुए हैं और हमें लूट रहे हैं. तो सोल्यूशन क्या है? सोल्यूशन ये है कि पेट्रोल डीजल को जीएसटी मिलेगा. और राहुल गांधी बोले रिसेंटली, जब सब ऑपोजिशन में होते हैं ना तभी बोलते हैं, जब पावर में रहते हैं ना तो कोई कुछ करता नहीं है. कांग्रेस का भी यही हालत है. जब पावर में थे तो पेट्रोल का दाम कभी कम नहीं हुआ. उन लोग तो मैनेज किए. अगर कंपैरेटिवली देखोगे तो यूपीए गवर्नमेंट वाज बेटर, क्योंकि उस समय तेल के दाम 110 रुपए तक जा चुके थे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन? सोल्यूशन क्या है? Solution is this, that they have to bring the cost of the petrol and diesel under GST. Even though the protest has been taking place, government seems to not care about us. Mirror now is doing an 1-hour show every day on the price of petrol, but government has not done anything till now regarding it. So I really wish that government does control the cost of petrol. 1 रुपया 2 रुपया नहीं यार, 20-30 रुपया कम होना चाहिए कम से कम. 20-30 तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही मांग लिया. कम से कम 15 रुपया तो कम करो यार. 40 रुपया का पेट्रोल आता है, 40 रुपया हम लोग टैक्स देते हैं. सही लगता है क्या? 40 रुपया का पेट्रोल आता है, 20 रुपया टैक्स दे, वो भी ज़्यादा है. 40 रुपया का पेट्रोल आता है, मतलब 10% या 20% टैक्स करो. अगर पेट्रोल का दाम अगर जीएसटी में हो गया तो जीएसटी में 3 स्लैब है, 12%, 18% और 28%. तो अगर ये सबसे कम वाला स्लैब में आता है जो कि 12%, तो हमारा तेल का दाम 35 रुपया होगा, 35 रुपीस. विल बी बाइंग पेट्रोल एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 35 रुपीस. इफ पेट्रोल कम्स अंडर द फर्स्ट स्लैब, दैट इज अ मिनिमम स्लैब 12%, पर सरकार कभी करेगी नहीं ऐसा, ठीक ना, वो सबसे हाईएस्ट स्लैब में डालेगी जो 28% का है। अगर 28% में भी अगर पेट्रोल का दाम गया ना 28% में, तो हमें तेल मिलेगा 42 रुपीज पर लीटर। इफ दे पुट पेट्रोल अंडर जीएसटी ऑफ द हाईएस्ट स्लैब 42 कहाँ है और 80 रुपया कहाँ है? 42 is too much to ask, कम से कम 55-60। ओके, so that is the thing. So as a biker and I just want to appeal to the government, कोई तो मेरा वीडियो देखेगा नहीं, फिर भी अगर कभी वायरल चला गया तो भाई तेल का दाम कम कर दीजिए, बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है हम लोग को। एक आम आदमी की तरह से मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि 80 रुपया पेट्रोल में हम लोग को होता नहीं है, घूमने के लिए नहीं जाते हैं हम लोग सर, ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, कभी कभी इमरजेंसी में यहाँ वहाँ घूमना पड़ता है, और 80 रुपया जब हम लोग तेल के देते हैं ना तो बहुत दिक्कत होता है। और मेरा KTM 390 है, उसमें माइलेज देती है सिर्फ 25 रुपया, मतलब समझो 80 रुपया के तेल भर के मैं 25 रुपया के जाता हूँ। उसके अलावा भी हमारा खर्चा होता है ना, इंश्योरेंस, टायर, और तो इसी बात के लिए तेल का दाम थोड़ा कम करिए, हम लोग पे बोझ थोड़ा कम करिए, ताकि आप लोग का भी मुनाफा हो। तेल का दाम करोगे तो वोट तो मिलेगा ही आपको। So that's it guys for today. We have nothing else, just about the petrol thing. So I have a lot of things pending. If you see here, these are all the things that are pending for me, and I'll be completing it very soon. Next video I'm coming with a video. Next Wednesday I'm coming with a video of the Hogenekel Falls, which is in Dharmapur. It's a beautiful falls. I went there alone, and I'm editing the video. And the second thing which I wanted to say was I have started a website, bidnising.com. Link is in below. Check that out. I haven't started putting any content, but I promise you that I'll be posting a lot of travel videos, tips. And if you have any article which you want to be posted in my website, बहुत अच्छा यार, तो फ्री में ही पोस्ट करूँगा. So apart from that, we have nothing else to say. So we'll meet you on next Wednesday. Bye-bye. And today is my birthday. हैप्पी बर्थडे विश कर देना.